Hello everyone, welcome back to ITPK. If you are looking to supercharge your PDF management on Windows, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of Chat a powerful tool that makes working with PDF easier and more efficient than ever before. In this video, I will guide you step by step through the process of downloading and installing and getting started with Chat Windows app. Whether you are a student, professional, or anyone who frequently deals with PDF files, this app is designed to enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. So, before proceeding, I just want you to make sure that you have watched my previous video that says Unlock the Power of Chat PDF step by step guide to sign up and use and get help. So, this was the introductory video for Chat AI. So I will add this video in the video description as well. And before moving forward, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITPK. So please navigate to the website chatpdf.com and do a sign in, right? If you are totally new, you can do a free sign up. Please note that sign up for Chat is totally free. I'm not going to explain you here by uploading PDF and all of those things. I just want to show you here we can get the Windows app for Chat also, that we don't need to come to the browser all of the time. So I am downloading the Chat Windows app. Let's go ahead and save it on desktop so that we will install it after a successful download. Please note that the introductory video I have created for Chat and this video, all of the steps I'm showing in both video are totally free. And what we have worked on in the previous video, we worked on few PDF and we got those PDF in our history. If you want to get back to those PDF again, just we have to make sure that we are sign in with our user account and we have a free plan. You could also go ahead and upgrade Chat to a paid plan. So I think Chat Windows app is downloaded here. Let's go ahead and click for the installation. Now it's installing Chat setup. Once you get installed Chat on your computer, let's go ahead and again sign in with our email account so that we will get all our chat and PDF history in the same place if we want to navigate back to those PDF. Perfect. That's great. So I have all the details of the PDF that I've already discussed with ChatGPT and get a lot of help in the previous video. Let's close this and now let's go ahead and again open Chat. So this is very simple. When Chat get installed on your computer, you don't need to open up a browser all of the time and just come here and go to new chat. Right, in the new chat you will go to the location where you have the PDF files, and now PDF files are getting uploaded. And same, this picked up my PDF resume and gave me all of the detail and also three example questions related to my PDF. So I'm not going to show you how we can use it, how we can share these chat, or how we can save these chats or delete these chats, because we have already discussed in the previous video. So make sure you have gone through the previous video as well. That's it about today's simple tutorial on how to get the Chat Windows app. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.